Hello, financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to Finance Now. Today, we're delving into the profound insights of one of the most influential figures in personal finance, Robert Kiyosaki. In this video, we'll explore Kiyosaki's transformative wisdom encapsulated in the statement, "You will never be poor again." As the acclaimed author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Kiyosaki's teachings have empowered millions to take control of their financial destinies. Join me as we decipher Kiyosaki's principles, uncovering the keys to financial abundance and security that he believes can ensure you never face the spectre of poverty again. Understanding Kiyosaki's wealth philosophy. To grasp Kiyosaki's assurance that you will never be poor again, we must first understand the foundation of his wealth philosophy. This section will delve into Kiyosaki's core principles, emphasizing the importance of financial education, creating multiple streams of income, and adopting an entrepreneurial mindset. Kiyosaki's approach challenges traditional notions of wealth, providing a blueprint for financial success that transcends conventional wisdom. The power of financial education. Central to Kiyosaki's philosophy is the transformative power of financial education. This section will explore how Kiyosaki advocates for continuous learning about money, investing, and financial strategies. We'll discuss practical steps to enhance your financial literacy, enabling you to make informed decisions that align with your wealth-building goals. Kiyosaki believes that the more you know, the better equipped you are to navigate the complex world of finance and build lasting prosperity. Creating multiple streams of income. One key aspect of Kiyosaki's approach is the emphasis on creating multiple streams of income. In this section, we'll unpack the concept of cash flow and how Kiyosaki encourages individuals to move beyond reliance on a single income source. Whether through investments, side businesses, or real estate, diversifying income streams is a strategy Kiyosaki champions to fortify financial stability and reduce vulnerability to economic fluctuations. The entrepreneurial mindset. Kiyosaki often advocates for adopting an entrepreneurial mindset, regardless of one's profession. This section will explore the principles of entrepreneurship according to Kiyosaki, highlighting traits such as innovation, risk-taking, and resilience. Understanding and embracing the entrepreneurial spirit, Kiyosaki believes, can open doors to opportunities and financial success that transcend the limitations of a traditional employment mindset. Investing for wealth creation. Investing plays a pivotal role in Kiyosaki's philosophy, and this section will delve into his views on strategic investments, whether it's real estate, stocks, or other assets. Kiyosaki encourages individuals to make their money work for them. We'll explore Kiyosaki's investment strategies, emphasizing the importance of informed decision-making and a long-term vision for wealth creation. Building assets and minimizing liabilities. Another cornerstone of Kiyosaki's teachings is the distinction between assets and liabilities. In this section, we'll dissect Kiyosaki's perspective on accumulating assets that generate passive income while minimizing liabilities that drain resources. By understanding this fundamental financial principle, Kiyosaki believes individuals can accelerate their journey to financial freedom and ensure they are never poor again. Embracing financial challenges and learning from setbacks. Facing financial challenges is inevitable, and Kiyosaki advocates for embracing adversity as a learning opportunity. In this section, we'll explore how Kiyosaki encourages individuals to view setbacks as a stepping stone to growth, whether it's a failed business venture or a financial downturn. Kiyosaki's approach to resilience and learning from challenges is a key component of his philosophy. Giving back and contributing to others. Beyond personal wealth, Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of giving back and contributing to others. This section will explore how Kiyosaki believes that true success is not just measured by personal wealth, but by the positive impact one can have on others. We'll discuss Kiyosaki's views on philanthropy and how contributing to the well-being others can be a fulfilling aspect of a successful financial journey. As we conclude our exploration into Robert Kiyosaki's guide to ensuring you will never be poor again, the essence lies in adopting a mindset of continuous learning, diversifying income streams, and making strategic financial decisions. If you found this video enlightening, please like, share, and subscribe to Finance Now. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Here's to unlocking the keys to financial abundance and security, guided by the wisdom of Robert Kiyosaki. Happy investing